Hello, I'm Dr. Jimmy Steger, and this week we have with us IFBB Pro Tish Shelton from Mobile, Alabama. And if you've seen some of our past episodes, we've shown you how to work the rectus abdominis, the front. Today we're going to teach you how to work all three areas of the abdominal by doing a standard crunch, but we call these around the world. So what Tish is going to do, she's going to lay back on her back here. You can do these on the floor, but it's a little better to do these on an elevated position so your elbows don't hit the ground. What you do is you start off by turning this elbow to the side, this elbow straight up. And we're focusing as she comes up and does a standard crunch by working on these obliques on this side, the rectus abdominis, part of the serratus. And as she does her repetitions, every time she comes up, she's slightly turning a little bit more until she goes back to the center position, and she turns until she finally ends up with her elbow pointing out to this side and this one going up. So you're doing a rotational move here. And as she goes back around, she comes up, she breathes, in through the nose, out to the mouth, like you do your standard crunch, and then you rotate all the way back around to the other side. So therefore you're working the entire abdominal area to the front and the obliques to the side, which carves out that nice waistline, okay? Start off with about 20 repetitions on that, and then when you finish, then you sit up in between sets, catch your break, which is always the proper way to do this. If you watched our other episode, we talked about this the same. Get that back straightened up, get a lot of oxygen back to the lungs, catch your 15-second break, then you're ready to go to your very next exercise. And that is this week's training tip of the week.